Hey guys, welcome back to AI Arena channel. Today we are jumping into one of the most powerful shifts happening in AI video creation right now. A platform that does not just generate visuals, but exposes the entire creative brain behind them. If you love AI, blockchain, and creating at high speed, this will open your eyes. This is TapNow. And once you see what it can do and how open source workflows change the game, you will never look at video production the same way again. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start from the core idea, guys. Traditional creative tools only show your final work. You post your video and that is it. Nobody sees how you planned it, how you fixed issues, what poses you used, what mask you cleaned, what nodes you blended. TapNow flips everything. Inside tapTV, every finished video becomes a fully transparent canvas showing every step of your reasoning. Every asset you used, every node you adjusted, every experiment you ran. Anyone can open it, see the full structure, and remix it. It is like sharing the final painting together with all the layers, sketches, color choices, and corrections. It becomes a living creative network where knowledge flows forward instead of staying locked inside your head. AI video needs openness because scattered tips teach nothing. Tutorials show fragments, not real production logic. TapNow exposes full workflows. Beginners see exactly how shots are built, clone a canvas, swap assets, and finish projects fast. Advanced creators study decisions, improve techniques, and the whole ecosystem evolves because everything is open, not a one-way feed. Real examples with our AI Arena branding. We built a full neon logo animation with glowing edges and a pulsing burst. Inside TapNow, we used Draw to Edit for shadow shaping, pose controls for light angles, Skin Enhancer for a clean metallic surface, and 11 Labs for the synced glitch hit. The full canvas is open on tapTV, so anyone can clone it and replace the logo. We also made an esports-style logo pack, intro cards, transitions, loop backgrounds, and a cinematic bumper. Normally you switch between multiple tools. Here, backgrounds, animations, and transitions all happened in one TapNow canvas. The full pack is open on tapTV as a reusable workflow. We built a 10-second Apple-style reveal using one-click film analysis. TapNow broke down shot structure, pacing, transitions, and camera feel, generated prompt sheets and a storyboard. Then we rebuilt the entire sequence for AI Arena. The workflow is open so others can apply the same shot logic instantly. TapNow's engine starts with inspiration and Gemini chat, brainstorming scripts, references, shot ideas, mood boards, and storyboards inside the canvas. One-click film analysis deconstructs any commercial into composition, pacing, transitions, and lighting, giving you professional prompt sheets to rebuild anything shot by shot. Storyboard tools connect directly to generation nodes. Draw to Video and Draw to Edit let you sketch scenes, control poses, and reshape objects without touching 3D. And Handcore fixes skin realism, and 11 Labs handles voiceover, all inside the canvas. Workflows and assets become templates you can reuse and publish. The more creators upload, the faster the ecosystem grows. tapTV is the open source layer. Every video has a full workflow behind it that anyone can open, study, clone, and remix. TapNow already proved commercial quality with the Antarctica By Health TVC, fully open-sourced on tapTV. More case studies. We recreated a Dior-style ad, built an e-commerce highlight animation anyone can clone, created a tank battle loop for our game using Draw to Video, plus a stylized version, and made a character loop using pose control and skin enhancement. All open on tapTV for creators to learn from and extend. Guys, just think about it. The commercial applications are endless. TVCs, e-commerce, animations, music videos, short films, experimental scenes, branded intros, UGC ads. You can create them inside one canvas, then reuse the workflows across clients and projects. TapNow is more than a tool. It is a creative ecosystem built around open workflows. You can create your own cinematic piece, open source it, let others build on it, and watch your ideas evolve through the community. If you want to explore this world, jump into TapNow, open the public workflows, test our AI Arena canvases, try remixing the intro packs, and publish your own. The more you contribute, the faster the whole ecosystem grows. Alright guys, that is it for today. If you love deep dives into professional AI tools and want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Big tutorials, real projects, and open source experiments are coming. See you in the next one. Bye!